Hi Moonwalkers, I hope you guys are well. Today, we are unboxing the Rock with You Funko Pop. It's been a while since I done an unboxing video. I really want to unbox it. When I bought it, I thought the Off the Wall was the last one. 2 months after, I saw a post about the Rock with You Funko Pop. And then I forgot about it for a few months. I saw someone's story and they had it. I quickly bought it from the gamesman. I know it's been out for a while. I have been busy with other things. Anyways, enough chit-chatting. Let's unbox it. Wow, it looks great and so shiny. He has his microphone and his boots. It looks exactly like the music video. It is so shiny in the light. I'm glad they made a Rock with You Funko Pop. They have made almost every era. I want them to make the Jackson's 5 Funko Pop like the Kiss one. When you get 5 Funko Pops in one box and the background is the stage. I think it would be awesome. Let me know if you want them to make a J5 Funko Pops. I wonder if they're going to make more. Well Moonwalkers, this is the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you Moonwalkers in the next video. Stay Moonwalking.
Who's bad?